welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a tutorial on this look right here. I love it so much. It's perfect for prom. Well, I mainly did it because prom is already here and I was like, why not, you know? So I created this beautiful look and I did use all Araceli Beauty products. I literally used the palette for this whole look. Let me show you guys how beautiful this is. This is a palette which I'm obsessed with, and I also use my favorite lashes at the moment. I love them so much. They're so easy to wear, and I also use the eyeliner and the other eyeliner that goes on the Waterline. But yeah, if you guys want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So to start this makeup tutorial, I'm going to be using this Smooth and Pore Covering Primer, and I'm going to be applying this all over my entire face, and this is just gonna keep my face really hydrated and it's gonna keep my makeup in place. And for foundation, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible. I decided to use this one because this one stays all day, and if you're going to prom, you want a foundation that doesn't get cakey or it doesn't get oily, so make sure you use a foundation that stays all day and that doesn't make you oily, because obviously you're going to be dancing and doing all these things, you know, so you want to have your makeup looking good all the time. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty concealer, and I'm in the color 235. And I'm just concealing under my eyes and on the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and on my forehead. So to bake, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the color Banana. If you're going to an event or somewhere special and you know you're going to take flash pictures, make sure you use a powder that doesn't give you flashback, because that's another thing that's really important when you take flash pictures, and you know, nobody wants that white under the eyes, so make sure you use a powder that doesn't give you flashback. I'm also going to be applying a little bit of this lip balm on my lips because they felt a little bit dry. By the way, this one is by Breeze Balm, and I'll have it listed down below. I actually really like it. It makes my lips super smooth, and I don't know, they just feel really hydrated. So yeah, make sure you check that out. But now I'm going to be bronzing my face, and I'm using my Hoola bronzer by Benefit. I'm going to be setting my makeup, and I'm going to be using my Morphe setting spray, and after I finish doing that, I'm going to be moving on to my eyeshadow. So I'm going to start with this eyeshadow called Sombrero, and I'm going to be placing this on the crease, and the brush I'm going to be using is by Araceli Beauty as well, and this brush is called a Grande blending brush. I really love their brushes. They're so smooth, they're so easy to blend. I love them. The eyeshadows are everything. Highly recommend them. You guys should totally check them out. I'll have everything linked down below. The next color I'm going to be applying on my crease is going to be this eyeshadow called Corazon, which is a really nice red eyeshadow, and I love it so much. It's my favorite color from the whole entire palette. I don't know, but I love using this eyeshadow by itself, and it's a look, you know. I just apply some lashes and it looks so beautiful. This color is everything. The lashes I'll be using today are these lashes right here. These are so comfortable. I love them. These are called Chuy, and they're so easy to apply. And I'm also going to be applying the eyeshadow I applied on my crease on my lower lash line. I am using a Chiquita blending brush by Araceli Beauty as well. For lips, I'm going to be using my lip liner by MAC, and it's called Whirl. And for lipstick, I was actually going to be using a red lipstick, but I decided not to because I already had like too much red going on, and no. So I decided to use a nude brown lipstick, and I feel like this just completed the look. I'm quickly going to be setting my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using my Benefit brow gel. But after I finish doing that, this tutorial is complete. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!